Towards the second method, that is itertools.permutations method. First, we are going to import our library. After that, we are again creating a function and we are going to use the list comprehension. So what we are going to do over here is we are going to go through each and every element. Now itertools.permutations method, we are passing the list as another iterable and we are comma the 2, which means that we only have to go to one element further. That means if the passing element or the index is 1, then we are going to go through the second index element also for subtraction. So what is going to do is for every element in our list, it's going to subtract the even minus e0 element and then it's going to store in the value of the list. And after that, we are returning those values after summation of the list 1 and dividing it in half, and we are printing it out. As you can see it over here, our list comprises of 1 2 3 4 and to the 5. Now subtracting each element with its particular index, we get an answer of 20.